Connect Now gives you the option of using our in-app text feature to correspond with leads and contacts. When this feature is activated, each agent is assigned an in-app phone number, which you can find from the dashboard by choosing the Settings menu, then selecting the Text tab. This is the number leads and contacts will see when they receive your message.
Sending a text through the app is easy. Simply choose the text icon and type in your message. Or you can use a template to speed up your response. When a lead responds to your message, the app will again notify you of the response, and by using in-app text, the system will capture the context of both sides of the outgoing and incoming text. This eliminates the need for the agent to recreate the important conversation points in notes, since the entire conversation is preserved and can be reviewed at any time. If you have any questions regarding this feature of the Connect Now app or any of the other features, please reach out to us at support@connectnowinc.com.